Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as you can see I am on a new setup, new location today because it is my sister's place and today is our brother's wedding. So I might be a lot of hyped and very excited for this wedding because Harish has been a brother with whom I have grew up. We used to spend a lot of time together during Ganpati, New Year's, then his birthdays. He used to stay in hostels, so we used to go and pick him up and celebrate and everything of that sort. So we have a good relationship, and this sudden marriage is just a so much hyped thing for us. Also, this vlog is going to be all over the place. There is no particular way in which I'm going to shoot this. I'm going to shoot everything that is possible for me, but I have to enjoy equally. I hope you guys smile and be happy when you see this vlog because I am very happy and I'm very excited for the same. So now it is 3 o'clock and I guess I should get ready and maybe we'll move by 4:30 or something. So I have an hour to get ready with my sisters, and getting ready with sisters is something else that you'll never get to see. Okay. So I guess I'll see you again when we all are ready. Hi guys, so I'm finally ready and this is my basic look with a great eyeliner that my sister did for me and few accessories. Also I have this sequence top and basic jeans because I did not wanted to keep it a lot of traditional. मेरा mood नहीं था traditional का, and this is very fancy. I love this top. So I guess we'll leave in 10 minutes. Also, this is the mask that I'm wearing. It is grey with silver dots on it. And obviously my specs. How can I go without my specs? So now the look is complete and let's go.
बदामाचे तुकडे,
काचेच्या बशीत बदामाचे तुकडे.
नेहाचं नाव घेतो बघा सगळे इकडे.
नेहाचं नाव घेतो बघा सगळे.
ताजमहालाचे बांधकाम करायला कारागीर होते कुशल. हरीश रावांचं नाव घेते तुमच्यासाठी स्पेशल. अरे So that was all for today guys. This was my entire day. I know उसमें बहुत कम वीडियोस है, बहुत शॉर्ट क्लिप्स है, बट देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फैमिली टाइम. तो उसमें मैं किधर शूट करूँ मुझे समझ नहीं रहा था, बट आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट. आई वॉन्ट टू डू दैट एंटायर डे व्लॉग वंस, बट उसके लिए मुझे बहुत प्रैक्टिस लगेगा एंड आई एम श्योरली गोइंग टू डू दैट. सो hopefully I'll see you again in my next vlog. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay productive and stay happy.